Are you struggling to maintain consistent comfort in your home or office? Graham Heating and Air Conditioning, a trusted HVAC contractor in Port Charlotte, Florida, offers reliable solutions tailored to your needs. Our team specializes in air conditioning installation, heating repair, and preventive maintenance. Each service is designed to maximize efficiency, reduce energy costs, and ensure year-round comfort for both residential and commercial properties. With 24/7 emergency service, help is just a phone call away whenever unexpected HVAC issues arise. Our expert technicians provide prompt repairs, ensuring your home or office remains safe and comfortable at all times. We offer energy-efficient solutions with modern AC units and heating systems to lower utility bills. As a trusted HVAC contractor in Port Charlotte, Florida, our certified technicians ensure precise installation and long-lasting performance. Membership plans provide regular maintenance checks, priority scheduling, and discounted services for all customers. These plans extend the life of your HVAC system and reduce the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns or costly repairs.